He breaks his restraints, and Sagiri tells him that he's not allowed to do that, but Gabimaru tells her to let it slide, explaining how they only have a strange drawing as a clue, and their food is only good for 3 days. However, Sagiri threatens to kill him, telling him to bind his hands, as she explains she is not his friend, and her role is as executioner, so he reluctantly complies. As he lets Sagiri tie his hands, he suddenly gets hit by a giant steel ball, blowing him away. The ball returns to a criminal named Kion, who thinks he just got rid of his target, but Gabimaru gets back up, cracking his neck as he admits that it got dislocated.